Good morning, dear students. Today we'll discuss the practical, that is experiment number 4. Okay, so the aim of the experiment, it is based on reactivity series, this experiment. The aim is to observe the action of zinc, iron, copper and aluminium metals on following salt solutions. The salt solutions are given: zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate and aluminium sulfate. And aqueous I have written here because these salts are dissolved in water. Okay, now then you have to arrange these metals in decreasing order of reactivity based on the above result. Okay, so students, already you know about the reactivity series. What is reactivity series? The arrangement of metals in decreasing order of reactivity. That is called reactivity series or activity series, which we have already studied in chapter 3 as well as chapter 1. Okay, so most reactive metal at the top. So that is potassium, then sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, then hydrogen, to show which metals more reactive than hydrogen, which metals less reactive than hydrogen. Then copper, mercury, silver, gold, and gold is least reactive. And here the metals are arranged in decreasing order of reactivity. This is reactivity series. Means most reactive is potassium, least reactive is gold. So here we are using which metals? Zinc, then iron, then copper and then aluminium. So students, which is more reactive out of the most reactive out of the 4, which is on the top? So which is most reactive? Aluminium, then zinc, then iron, and least reactive out of these 4 is copper. So for the displacement reaction, you will keep this in mind. Okay, now the salt solution, first salt solution you will take is zinc sulfate solution. Okay, so zinc sulfate solution, it is colorless. Zinc sulfate solution is colorless. Now to this you will take 4 test tubes. In all the 4 test tubes, students, you will take zinc sulfate solution. Okay, and the zinc sulfate solution is colorless. To the first test tube, add zinc metal. To the second test tube, add iron metal. To third test tube, add copper metal. And fourth test tube, add aluminium metal. Okay, now, and what is this solution? Zinc sulfate solution. And what I said just now, zinc sulfate is colorless solution. Okay, and keep it undisturbed for about half an hour or 1 hour. Then see the changes which occurs. Okay, so what will be the reaction? Zinc plus zinc sulfate. Now students, zinc and zinc, these both are same. Reactivity is same. So they cannot displace, zinc cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. What we have studied, for displacement, more reactive metal displace less reactive metal from its salt solution. Here zinc, it is placed in zinc sulfate solution. So salt solution is zinc sulfate. And what is its color? Colorless. And color of zinc? Silver. Okay, now the reactivity is same, so zinc cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. So here no reaction. What you will observe? No reaction in the first test tube. Colorless zinc sulfate solution remains colorless and silver colored zinc metal remains as it is, no reaction, because reactivity is same. Okay, now second, Fe plus zinc sulfate solution. And what is zinc sulfate solution? Colorless. And what is the color of iron? Gray. Keep it in this test tube. Place iron in zinc sulfate solution. Keep it undisturbed for some time, about half an hour. After that, you observe the change. So what you will observe? Iron and zinc, you will see the reactivity. Iron, zinc. Iron is less reactive than zinc. Iron is less reactive than zinc. So can iron displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution? No. Iron is less reactive than zinc. So can iron displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution? No. So here again, no reaction. What you will observe? No reaction. So if you do not know about the reactivity series, about which is more reactive, which is less reactive, just by this experiment you can arrange the metals in increasing or decreasing order of reactivity. Because zinc you placed in zinc sulfate solution, what you saw? What was your observation? No reaction. Means zinc and zinc, the reactivity is same, they cannot displace. Next, iron is placed in zinc sulfate solution. Here also what you observe after half an hour or 1 hour? No reaction, no change, no observable change, means no reaction. Okay, so it means what it proves? Iron is less reactive than zinc. So no reaction, no observation, no observable change. Okay, so iron is less reactive than zinc. Next, copper and zinc sulfate. Copper and zinc sulfate solution. And copper, what is color? Reddish brown. And zinc sulfate colorless. After half an hour, observe the change. Any change in color or any observable change, if it is there, means reaction took place. So after half an hour again what we observe? No reaction. So no reaction means copper is less reactive than zinc. Copper is less reactive than zinc. So copper cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Okay, next. Aluminium plus ZnSO4. Aluminium, it is silver in color. Zinc sulfate, colorless. After half an hour or 1 hour, what we observe? Colorless solution remains colorless, but here again observable change you cannot observe, but students, here aluminium is more reactive than zinc. So aluminium will displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. So aluminium will displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution because aluminium is more reactive than zinc, and it will take its place. Aluminium Al2SO4 whole thrice plus zinc. Okay, and here zinc sulfate is also colorless solution. Aluminium sulfate is also colorless solution. So you won't be able to see any observable change, but we know aluminium is more reactive than zinc. So aluminium will displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Okay, so this is your first salt solution which we have taken, zinc sulfate, and you have seen the action of zinc, iron, copper and aluminium. So what you observe? Zinc cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate, means reactivity is same, no reaction. Iron, here also iron cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution, no observable change, no reaction, means iron is less reactive than zinc. Here copper is less reactive than zinc. Only one metal is more reactive than zinc, that is aluminium is more reactive than zinc. It can displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. So what is the reactivity series? Arrange it in decreasing order of reactivity. So which is most reactive? Aluminium. Then this iron, copper cannot displace zinc, means it is less reactive than zinc. So most reactive is aluminium. After that zinc. Then about iron and copper we will do the test with other salt solution. Then you come to know the reactivity. Okay.